Yeah, man. We are live, baby. Stream Rock is rocking. Turn that down a hair. Just a hair, guys. It is the day after tournament day. It is Thursday. I'm going to be playing 3-minute against viewers. I just got an alert, bro. Huh. We got to get rid of this. We put it in the other room. We'll throw it on the couch. Kirby, what's up, man? Welcome back, Kirby. Guys, we are here for chess. So I'm going to be playing 3-minute against everybody today and looking at the tournament games. But, guys, most importantly, I need to look at the first game. There were some great games. My game against Josh was a crazy dragon. And the first game from yesterday was freaking nutso. I should probably leave my challenges off. Thank you, Twitch, for letting me be a Twitch streamer. I'm gonna leave my challenges off for a minute, guys, because we're gonna look at one game and I'm gonna start playing you guys. All right. Challenges are off. Okay, good. Because this game, and it reloads every time. That's fine. That's fine. We're going here. It was yesterday, the 22nd. It was against the 1678, and I won, dude, 90% accuracy and a 15 plus 10. Oh my God, this was a rated game. Let me see what we got going on here. 90% accuracy by me, 79 by my esteemed opponent. He made 2 blunders, I made none. He made 3 mistakes, I made 2. I made 20 best moves, he made 16. I played like a 2250, he played like an 1800. Hey, the guy played above his head, man. Start the review. Let Magnus talk for a second.
E4. I can dig it. Center control.
It's so dumb. Okay. That's just noise, guys. Chess.com, that's just noise. Doesn't do much. Okay. E4, C5, knight f3, knight c6, d4, cd4, knight d4, e6. I don't know what to play here, man. I mean, knight c3 is stockfish, and everyone plays knight c3. It's a Sicilian, so it's like you could play knight c3 and probably do on every what is this, like a 4th move or something? Every 5th move of a Sicilian, but I wasn't sure. Now, I played bishop e3 and it's not even on the list. Oh no, I played bishop g5. Is that on the list? It's not. Bishop g5 not on the list. Oh, we get the guy. We get the spammer. Okay, good. We took care of it. I took care of the spammer on Twitch. Okay, bishop g5, no. You know why I shouldn't play bishop g5? Well, he's threatening a pawn, but he's not threatening a pawn. And bishop e2, bishop d3, bishop c... Not bishop d3 is a blunder. Bishop c4, bishop b5, all develop a piece and prepare a castle. I wanted the castle queenside, I think. I don't know why. And it wants knight. It wants knight. Knight. Then he has to play d6, and then bishop f4. Wow. e5, bishop g5, and we play a structure. Okay. Feel. Bishop c4, man. It's not even on a list, bro. No one plays bishop c4 here. I questioned it too. Toasty Cheese It, what's up? I questioned it too, but I thought, you know, it's kind of like to start putting some pressure on d5, but he can still play d5. Bishop c4. He gets knight e4. That's the thing I had to be aware of, guys. Is he actually is threatening to win a pawn, and I didn't see it. So I developed. He didn't see it either. I play this weird move. a6 back. We looked at this a little bit yesterday, but we didn't get to finish because I want to see the middle game, all my attacking ideas. Hello, Charlie. Deftones, welcome back, brother. Pritchard, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. So here it wants knight c6. I played knight b3, second best move. Great. We saw some of this yesterday. Bishop e2, I think, is the best move here. No, kicking the queen was best. Yeah, and I played it. Now, bishop d3 is a move, really? No way, dude. I'm keeping the bishop. Taper Mike is back. What's up, Taper Mike? Kirby Toasty. So he plays this move. I didn't see it. So I just take. Queen takes. Oh, yeah, let me see if all these are good here. And knight e4 is best. Bishop e7 is best. And rook f1 is best. Hey! And black is better. Patzer Nation, how you doing, man? I love your name, Patzer Nation. That's like, it's so chess related. Oh yeah, f4. So weird though, right? To do that weakness, but it gets rid of this knight. He has two things kind of giving me grief. The knight and the queen, right? f4 makes the knight go back to the pregame lobby where it belongs. f4, knight c6, queen d2, preparing. And we're fine. Okay, I didn't see it. I brought the knight. For what reason? Is it even in the... It's not even on Stockfish. Oh, I brought the knight to get the... To start the trades. Queen comes, hitting my knight. Queen d2, it's the best move. Knight comes. Queen b4 check, best move. And he is better off playing d6 than he is e5. I have check, right? Oh, it's already protected. It's already protected. Just knight b3 laughing, and he's just down a piece. But here's the thing. He played this move. This is f4 looks like a weakness. That's what I'm saying. It's not very natural to push that pawn, right, Patzer? Yeah. Common sense. Common sense says don't play f4 in that position. But this pin right here is the most brutal pin, guys. Because the king can never leave until he breaks the pin. He can defend it and then try and get away is what he needs to do. The problem is I have moves. Watch. I castle. Is that best? No, it wants f4 right now. Wow. f4 or f3, rook g1. Okay, castle's his fifth best move. It's not near as good. Castles. But I'm telling you, dude, you're playing a game of chess. Your king's in the middle of the board. You're ahead in development. Your opponent, you got a nice pin on your opponent. What's the most important thing? King safety. I don't understand. Well, it's just Stockfish can just see deeper, right? Stockfish just sees deeper. But I'm telling you, a great comment. If you castle in this position, your rating will go up. Hikaru plays f4. Give any human this position, and they'll say white is always much better. Yeah. Well, no, white is better now. White is better after he was better here by a pawn. This is his blunder because I have queen before check. So I castled. Plus, the biggest thing with castling too is to keep this thing pinned, right? To put pressure. He plays queen, and I should have played f4. I did play f4. Hey! He still has queen e3 check, but it doesn't do anything. And then he needs to play... he played this move. Now, here... I was saying this too, guys. This is a lesson if you guys aren't familiar. Kirby said... Oh, yeah, that was Kirby. Very often when you castle queen side, you play king b1. Because you can't allow checks. You can't be in a position out of the opening where your opponent can just check your king. I mean, you can. Stockfish can, because it looks far enough ahead. A human being will have to analyze every position. You'll have to, every time your opponent can make a move. Is a check going to hurt me? It'll eat up all your time. And then the position moves by one thing. And he always has this check, right? Always has the check. And something will change. And I'll put a rook right here. And then he'll say check, and he'll take my rook. You know what I'm saying? That's why king b1 here is the Stockfish move. And I didn't play it. F5, and actually F5, it likes F5 better now. It first liked king b1, but it likes F5 better now. So I did play the best move by far. Well, no, not by far. King B1 was just as good. Okay, so now I'm coming at him like a spider monkey. He plays E5. F6 check is good. It's better. And then bishop F3 is the second best move. It's what I played. He gets the check. Now, if he takes that knight, he does. Rook D4. It's fine. And then here. Oh, look at this. It likes Rook D5 even better. Because it keeps the knight pin. Wow. I didn't see this move. This is why I'm looking at the game. Because now, you'll see what happens. I win his queen. And then I get the knight. Crazy. And so... Oh yeah, let me see what I should have done here at the ending here. Queen H4 check is best. It wants Rook F6. Rook F6. If he takes, Queen check, King C7, Queen B6. Oh, it's because it... It's like I'm up a rook. I mean, I already have the queen. I just sacked a whole rook, though. But it's like, you sacked a rook for some pawns, but you trapped his rook, so it's the same. That's crazy. Stockfish, you're crazy. I'm not giving that up. I'm coming back. Rook comes. Start snacking. Right. And now I could... Yeah, Rook F6 is best. Wow. Takes, pushes. Queen E7 check is best. Bishop F3 check is best. Queen C7. I did it here. This is mate in 3. They're all mate in 4s. So Queen E3 check is not bad because it's mate in 4. It's mate in 4. So this is one of the best moves. There's like 5 mate in 4s. King B4. These are both mate in 3s. Yeah, that's mate in 3. King B5. Look at this. Bishop E2 check, and I thought that was mate, and it wasn't. It wasn't. He comes here, and we got to mate with the pawn. Okay, that was one of the games. Now I'm gonna go to my settings and turn my challenges on so I can play you guys some games. Man. So I did pretty good. The biggest miss there was F4 and castles, which both I didn't like F4 because, like Patzer Nation said, it's weakening, and I don't feel bad for castling either. I had a great position and my king's in the middle of the board, and castling brought my rook to attack the pin knight. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm arguing with Stockfish, but I still think it's okay. I think it's okay. I don't feel too bad about those moves. You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, I should be open for challenges. I think I'm going to play a 3-minute game right now just to get my 3-minute vibes going on. You could play me next if you want. Just look at the pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood Telly 3-0 unrated. This is exactly what look at him. Look at his moves, guys. Look at his moves. Had to do a little bit of math. Okay, kind of want to come here. I can do this now, right? Okay, check. I'm going to stay on it. Oh, I could have took with the knight. I could have took with the knight. I didn't see it, guys. He's got some space over here. I guess that could be a tissue. Wow. Okay. I'm not feeling real good about this position, guys. Can't play this. It's a good square, and this is a good square. So that's what we're doing. Bing. Yeah. Okay, and he wants to move the knight and attack this square. So do I put the knight here instead? I could bring the other knight there. Dude, I'm gonna lose on time, bro. This is crazy. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Just improve a knight, I guess. He's gonna come here. He's gonna play bishop g4. I'm gonna try and kick the knight if I can. He's gonna have well, first off, he's gonna win on time for starters. Let's just make that clear. Hit the rook. He can then, like, he wants to get rid of, he wants to attack my knight one more time. Bang, bang. Oh, yeah, he wants to do something like this. Okay, we're gonna come here. And now we're controlling the square, which is huge. Bishop, he can do something and maybe get this if he wants it. Okay, okay. Now, I think I'm in a lot of trouble here. I almost want to play rook up. He doesn't want it. Okay. Bishop. Oh, he brings the knight. Threatening stuff. Okay. So I guess we're just gonna go ahead and... What do we do? I'm losing on time, that's for sure. Yeah. I'm gonna be easy points. No, we're playing unrated today, guys. Unrated. You guys are gonna... It's gonna be beat up Charly day after that game. Look, I mean, guys, I didn't even move. I didn't even move. And I lost too. On top of that, I used all that time and lost. Biggest bully! 1706. I don't think I played you yet, biggest bully. Kirby, I saw you. I'll get you. Biggest bully. Let's go, man. D4, knight F6. G6. Bishop G7. E4, D6. F4. Castles. 4 pawns attack, guys. You guys know how to play against this? I'm going to show you all my prep. I'm going to show you when I'm out of prep. Now I'm out of prep. That's my line. And then I just play from here. And I learned that for the 4 pawns attack. Rookie one was better. He wants to play F5. I probably could have maybe done something about that. I really don't know. Takes. Could be a problem. So we're just going to go ahead and play B5. as planned. I wasn't sure. Maybe I should have took this way. I don't know. It's hard to say. I have a lot of defenders over here. He could start doing stuff. He did, which he did. Okay, now we can like... take and open the file. Okay. Good. We got rid of the queen stir. Now I need to unpin my queen. 1,000,000%. This is a good spot for it. Don't know. Yeah, that's a good move. It's his best move. What can we improve? The problem is I have a weakness here. This is not protected. I can't come to this square. The knight is not pinned anymore. I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna go, so I don't lose on time. I'm trying not to lose on time, folks. Okay, I'm gonna refresh. Now, I think we take with this. Ah, yeah. There we go. Okay, Pritchard's here. Yeah, I said hi to Pritchard. Cool, cool, cool. All right, guys. I'm playing bully right now. He's the biggest bully, by the way. Not to be confused with, you know, anyone else. Okay, improving and attacking, and I will take this pawn next for sure. Maybe. Maybe. This knight moves. I may have some ideas of checks. Okay, I'm gonna come here. Now he might try and come in. I kind of gave up the file. That I might need to take it back. I don't know. I can block it. He comes there. Threatening not too much. I want to get these pawns and make a passer. This bishop controls a queening square. He brings the queen. Okay. What did I say about this? He's threatening a check and winning my knight. So I'm just going to do this. Chasing his bishop to a better square and blocking my bishop's... oh no, I had this pawn. Take it, bro. Take it. The knight comes. Attack king. Do we trade ding? Oh, wow. I guess we let him take it, and we got to take this one. Ah! And this pawn was hanging the whole time. It burns like fire. Does anyone know what fire burns like? Oh, this is pinned also. It's a good move. That's a good move, guys. That was the best move. Got me on time. Yeah. Wow. That was very, very, very good, very cool-headed play by Biggest Bully. I needed to get to that pawn, and I needed to do it faster than I did. I could have easily gotten there if I had time to think, but I didn't. Yeah. Dude, good game. Kirby, you're up. Biggest Bully, good game, dude. We'll play again, man. Very good game. That was actually a pretty interesting game. Kind of weird stuff going on there, you know what I mean? Interesting. Yeah, that's a move. What'd I lose there? A pawn? Okay, then, I guess we... I can't do that yet. I guess we attack the knight. The knight doesn't help because I take the bishop. He's so fast. Kirby's strong, guys. 1949. I'm a 1500 over here. Okay. He attacks something. I got my balloons. I got 99 Lufta balloons. Guys. Whoa. Okay, attacks my queen. I guess just take. Stop using your brain. Is he disconnected? Am I disconnected? What's happening? I took his... He has to take back. There's no mate here. Oh, he's was actually trying to decide if he wanted to, Wow. Dark squares might help. I don't know. Oh, they won't help. Well, yeah, they will help. They will help. Okay. And he gets a draw. Playing to beat him, guys. Playing to beat him. Monk Addict. I'm the only one who watches on Facebook. Hey, man, you're here, brother. You're here, brother. That's all that matters. He has no checks is a problem. But he'll get checks after he gets his queen out. And then he's going to try and beat me on time, and he should. Oh my god, I thought I stalemated him. Good game. Did I pre-moved that move, but it... Yeah, see, I thought he should maybe come out and then try and... But nah, that wouldn't have worked. That wouldn't have worked. There's no way. I literally pre-moved King H6. Dude. That was a good game, man. It feels good to finally freaking beat you, dude. You play so good, man. What is my record against Kirby, guys? My record against Kirby is crazy not good. What? Oh, yeah, he's beat me 13 times, 1 draw, and I beat him 4 times. Oh, good game, man. Good game. Guys, I want to make coffee, but guess what? I don't have any. That's okay, though. We don't have to, we don't have to drink tons of coffee every day. I did get to have 1 cup. Yeah. Yeah, Monkeyiotic says I'm the only one on Facebook. Facebook, come on, Facebook. Why aren't they freaking sending out the live alerts, man? I'm here. We're here. All the other platforms, we got people watching. Oh man, 23 viewers on YouTube Vertical. That's freaking awesome. Guys, if you want to play me, there's a pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood Telly. There we go. Onivo Duel. 3-minute unrated. One thing about you guys know enough about chess. When I ask for 3-minute unrated, you guys can usually pull it off. Some people are not too sure, and they're like, how do I do it? But then they learn. It's a learning thing. Ripper Madness, what's up, Ripper? Dude, we had an Elden Ring event scheduled. Didn't we play this game yesterday? For 2 weeks ago. No, I guess it was scheduled for last week. But what happened was I had to take the day off because I turned into a grandpa that day, guys. I turned into a grandpa. So that's something you take a day off work for, right? I had to be there, which is awesome. So we rescheduled it for last night. We had a great chess stream. If you're here yesterday, we had a beautiful chess stream. Beautiful tournament day. And I started making my dinner. Came to sit down and eat my dinner, start getting the gaming stream ready, the big Igon event, something we've been working towards for weeks. And we had to cancel it last week. We postponed it till last night. Sat down at 6:30 last night, go live at 8. My internet was down. I'm like, well, I have an hour and a half. So I'm just going to go ahead and say I probably am going to have time. It's probably going to come back up. So I sat here staring at the icon for an hour and a half. And my internet never came back. Ripper! Just stopped in to say hi. Yeah, that was crazy, dude. That was crazy. But we're doing fine. We're gonna, yeah, okay, the bishop comes. It's probably not an altogether bad idea. I think we're gonna do this. Maybe this? Because he can play b5 anyway. If he wants to, he gets to. I don't know if that was the best move because of certain things. Oh, dude, I forgot the guy's 800, man. I'm like, he just dropped a pawn. But he's 800. Onivodul from Portugal. You played great. Up to dropping that pawn, you played great. It doesn't mean I'm not saying I'm going to beat him. I'm just saying, like, it's not like he lost or anything. It's just a pawn. But he played great. And I'm like, how did he just drop a pawn? Okay, he attacks. I could come back and put this on a defended square and defend the pawn here. And then he could do silly stuff. But we got silly stuff too. This pawn's not the end of the world. Queen takes pawn. I could just play rook in this. That's probably better for me anyway. So it's not the end of the world. I think I just helped his plans because now if he can get the queen out of the way and keep it on the pawn and play b5, then rook over is not going to get the b pawn anymore. You know, but it's... Yeah, the time is just... What do we do? I guess we come to this square. The bonus square, folks. I want to play f4. F4. Okay. Good move. Good move. What just happened? Did I drop my queen? Kirby with the 100 bits. Kirby, thank you. Yeah, he plays this maneuver, but I have multitudes of options. We're just going to come here because we're up a pawn. I don't mind trading queens. I think I should get f5 in as soon as humanly possible. Yeah. Right. No reason. Okay. Threatening. Yeah, he brings a bishop back. Probably best. Just bring the rook to the good square, I guess. To the happy square. Plays f5, opening up the amigo's bishop. Do we just take the protected pass pawn? No, my rooks are alive. My rooks are numbered Johnny 5. I might as well let them be where they're supposed to be. Right? At least he saw that he kind of made a little bit of a situation there. Oh, wow. He's up on time? Got him on a clock. I dropped a rook. Good game. Thank you for the 100 stars, Kirby. Oh, man. That was a good game, dude. Onivodul, you played the opening. I feel like you played the opening pretty well, man. Better than 800. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't it, like, on the review, does it tell you, like, does it give you a rating for how well you played the different phases of the game? You actually liked your opening better. Your opening accuracy was 93%. It's huge. Mine was only 91. Middle game, not so much. 60% by you, 62% by me. We both didn't play that good. Biggest Bully wants another match. Biggest Bully, give me just a couple of minutes to try and get new players, and then we'll start doing rematches. That's the way I usually do it. That's the way I usually do it, folks. That was a good game, though, man. Yeah. We occupied our night by running the DLC. Oh, cool, man. Cool. Who all was there? Was it like a group of you guys? I felt bad, man. I wanted the game so bad last night. But you know what? I've learned in my life as you get older, you can start. Some people get nervous and get more frustrated But as I get older, I realize it's just so simple. Things you can't control, just get over it. Yeah. That was fun. That was you, Horcrux guy? Dude, you played the opening great, man. You actually played the opening better than me, and we both played the middle game with the check mark. That's not bad. Not bad. Kevin, Drew, and you. Oh, that's cool. Dude, you did good, Horcrux guy. You and I love the way too that you when I dropped my rook, you saw it. That's just, I mean, anything. What's the move here? I got to do something, right? Oh, rook e5, winning a piece. Yeah, rook e5, winning a piece. Oh no, you have rook f5. Bishop e4 takes, and we're still playing chess. But I'm just up. What am I up? I was only up a pawn. Now I'm up 2 pawns. Yeah, it was a good game, man. Good game. Someone sent me a challenge. I want to play. I want to play. I want to play. I want to play. No way, Horcrux guy. Horcrux guy. It's math, brother. It's math. If you played the opening terribly, I might say something about it. I probably wouldn't say it like that because that's just rude. But it's math. It's very concrete, man. When you do something good, you know, I mean, you did. I didn't realize that you... I forgot you were 800. When I looked at your rating and all this, I'm like... Yeah, right here. When you castled, because I'm on this pawn. And so when you castled, I'm like, huh. And that's when I looked at your rating. I'm like, he just dropped a pawn. I'm like, oh, he's 800. Okay. But no, dude, you did great, man. That's kind of a tricky little pawn to see, right? Yeah. Someone sent me a 3-minute challenge, man. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep moving, guys. We're going to go to play online. Fully Chop. Hello, would you like a game? Send it, brother. You got to just send it. There's a pinned comment. To play me, challenge Rosewood Telly, 3-minute unrated. I think one just popped as I did this. And I would love to play you. This guy's moving quick. Okay. Go back to the pregame lobby where you belong. There you go. Okay. Maybe this dumb move? It's a dumb move. Oh, he gives you... Oh, that... I don't know if that was best. Okay. That's the move right there, guys. I found it. I found it, folks. I took care of it here. Now I can rechat. You're higher rated over the board than online. It's a sharedchess.com account since I terminated mine when I switched to Lead Chess. That's against the terms of service, man. You can't have a shared account. Approved? What does that mean? That's not approved. There's no such thing as an approved shared account on chess.com, brother. Now I know. Now I don't believe anything you just said. It's not true. It's not true. So you don't know that much about chess? Are you one of those guys? Are you one of those guys that's gonna do the thing? That's what it sounds like, doesn't it, guys? Sounds to me like you're one of those guys that's gonna do the thing. It works the same as an anonymous account, he says. Like, I guess I don't want to do it though. I just don't believe you, sir. If you're not full of it, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Because that's what it sounds like. Yeah, there's no such thing. And there's a reason why. Could you tell me the reason why? Fully Chop? Can you tell me the reason why that's not true? Why they would never allow that? Why would they never allow that? Can anyone in chat tell me why I know that's not true? Okay, okay, unpinning. I guess I have to do this. Same approval, you email staff, give them username and the reasoning behind it. That's not true, brother. It's not true. This is probably a really good move. No, it's not a good move. Okay, now he's threatening check. So I guess we stay nearby. Maybe this is okay. This rook isn't doing too much, man. Do we play F5? I bet we play... No, we don't play F5. We'll bring a rook. I think we bring this rook to this square. No, I'm just going to have to come back. He wants my bishop, guys. He wants my bishop! Yeah. No, it's okay, dude. It's just not true. And I know enough about chess.com and chess to know that what you're saying is not true. There's a thing called ratings. It's why I'm losing on time though, so it's okay. Yeah. That guy totally played better than me. Good game. Yeah. Let me explain something about chess, you fully chop. There is a thing called ratings. And I have a rating based on how I play. And if someone else plays on my account, they play differently. And you can make up a thing now to say, yeah, but we only play unrated. Yeah, no, it's not how it works. Yeah. It doesn't make sense. But you sounded a little bit. Yeah. I'm not your guy, brother. I'm not your guy. I mean, dude. I mean, do we waste 30 seconds? Because like I said, if you're not lying, I'm completely shocked and I understand nothing about chess.com, where I've worked full time for the last 5 years as a streamer. I don't work for chess.com. Okay, let's do this. Let's say guy says he has an approved shared and then the reasons you gave were a joke, right? I mean, that's not that account on chess.com Billy, right? Boy, I got a lot of challenges, guys. Oh, I'm sorry, the 1510 I can't do. But I do play Twitch subs, Facebook supporters, and YouTube members on Tuesdays. I play Rapid. Yeah, chess.com is like, it says, yeah, probably nonsense or confusion. Yeah, chess.com explicitly says each person must use their own account and accounts should never be shared. An approved second account is real. An approved second account, right. But that means one person owns two separate accounts, not several people sharing one. Chess.com can grant special exceptions for authorized content accounts. I believe that too. But that is rare, closely controlled, and not ordinary. In other words, yeah, my buddies and I share this account. That's not how life works. So unless he has a specific written approval from chess.com stating that multiple people may play on that exact account, which he's claiming he does, but I just don't believe it, I would assume he misunderstood what approved or is making it up. That's exactly right. And that is something I should have leaned into deeper. And that is, you're confused, brother. You don't have an approved shared account. Because that way I'm not calling you a full of it. I'm just calling you confused. You're mistaken in your mind. To quote To Kill a Mockingbird. Yeah, you're mistaken in your mind. Who wrote that book? What's your feed ID? Fully chop. Yeah, there's no putting anything in on chess.com where two people can share an account. It's not a thing. I kind of messed up here. And didn't lose. Okay. Hit this. C3, D5. Yeah. Shared accounts aren't allowed because... Yeah. Like, I could see Hikaru in Gotham Chess getting a shared account for a day. You know what I'm saying? Or for some content. Right? Yeah. No. You know, the minute he started talking any of that malarkey, I immediately assumed that, oh, this guy set me up for the cheat. He was letting me down. Now, I don't know this to be a fact, guys. I really don't. But oh, wait. Should I take here? Instead of taking the bishop? No, it's a piece. Take the piece. Take the piece. Take the piece. Always take the Amigo's piece. Always take the Amigo's piece. Yeah, the first things he said, would you like a game? For your information, I'm higher rated over the board than online. Yeah, that's not true. Yeah, yeah. I'm higher rated over the board than online too. Those aren't the pawns I wanted. This is the pawn I wanted. Those were not the droids I was looking for. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. You need... What if there's, you know, I just have to look at it and say, like, what if there's some kind of weird thing that I don't understand? But I know enough about chess. I know enough about chess to where I believe he made a passer, guys. Okay, just make a check. Just, he has a square. Just make the ladder. He has a square. He has a couple squares. Good game. Good game, dude. Amir, good game. Thank you for the game. Guys, send it. Amir wants a rematch. Not yet. We're not doing rematches yet, Amir. Zach Ainsley. I don't think I played it. Did I play him yet? No, I didn't. Not 1394. Yeah, I feel sorry for that guy. Imagine coming into a stream and just saying something, but what he was saying didn't make sense, and I called him on it. And he could have said, "Yeah, I know you're right. I was just gonna use stockfish, and I didn't want you to be suspicious." Or he could say, "All right, dude, whatever." Or he would explain it more than just saying, "I have this thing that doesn't exist." You know what I'm saying? Because yeah, it's just a little bit weird. It's just a little bit weird. Doesn't have a real nice beard. It's really not a funny kind of guy. Shared account. You can't have a shared account. You get banned for that. That's how Kramnik cheated. That's how Kramnik cheated. Kramnik cheated by using someone else's account. I don't know if they banned him for it. I don't even know if he got in trouble for it. I think he might have. Yeah. You can only have accounts, authorized accounts, if you have multiple. Yeah, Happy Little Blender, I saw you, brother. I saw you, and I would totally play you. We come in. Yeah, I saw you, a Happy Little Blender. I will totally play you. Dang, nobody gaff. Just let me play. Let me play. Dude, let you play. You got to send a challenge. You got to send a challenge. And then I accept it. That's how it works. There's more than one person sending a challenge at a time. I'm trying not to accept any challenges from the same person twice. You know what I'm saying? If I mess that up, it's a mistake. You'll get to play me. I've been streaming for full-time for 5 years. That tells me you'll probably get a chance to play me. Whoa. The intermezzo, guys. I didn't see it. That scared the heck out of me, that pre-move. Kramnik isn't on chess.com anymore, I don't think, right? And, I mean, like, literally, that's a good move. Now I think I kind of have to do this. And my position is getting into a little bit of trouble here, guys. And it should have been good. The position should have been much better. Takes hit the queen. I get mated on the dark squares. I get mated on the dark squares, but I'm taking a rook. Magnus actually had somebody tell him something one time while he was playing, and that's cheating. Fabiano, Christian told Fabiano how to win an endgame on chess.com while Fabiano was playing. I don't know if it was for money. It might have just been a game. I don't know if it was a rated game or not. But I know that I saw it happen. I'm like, he just literally cheated. Fabiano couldn't, and you would think Fabiano understands everything, right? But Fabiano was not understanding an endgame. How to win this certain tricky little endgame scenario. Cool, I'm just going to take that. I dropped my knight. I was winning. Okay, everything's under control. He has no checks. I'm up a pawn. If I take, he takes. I'd rather not do that, so I'm gonna come here. And he got me on time. Good game. Good game, Zach. Good game, Zach. Yeah. Dude, good game. Good game. Good game. Very good. That was fun. Yeah, so the guy was confused. The guy does not have a, he doesn't have an authorized 2 people on an account authorization. That's called cheating. He was confused for sure. Dude, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. You can only have authorized accounts. Yeah. It seems weird. It's weird too. It's like a new guy comes in and talks in chat, and it's like, dude could have been like, you know, a great part of the community, man. I wish I would have told him. I wish I would have told him he was confused sooner than I did. Grab my water. Okay, send it. The guy, full note him. Full note him. You could send it right now. I'm not playing anybody. He's like, let me play. Dog, nobody GAF, just let me play. But yet you're not sending me a challenge, brother. Someone send me a challenge. I want to play chess. I'm going to the pool. New 3-minute. Oh, that's unrated. I don't want to play unrated. New game. 3-minute rated. Start. There we go. Now we're playing for the cash, folks. Actual rating points. I should not be. Oh, did this guy just beat me in the opening? This guy's playing pretty good. Yeah. Now we get the bishop. He has to take. So he gave me a bishop. I can't take with that. We got to take here. Let's just find this. Okay. I think we improve. Oh, he's attacking my El Centro. He's attacking El Centro, folks. Yeah. Now maybe push. That pawn's going to be weak, though, right? I think we take. Okay. And then I can check. I can improve. I can take and mess stuff up. I hate to improve him, but I guess here. And then we got it. Yeah, I can just come here and say like, no queen, no attack for you. Good. Taking the rook, sending it back to the pregame lobby where it belongs. Where it belongs. Do we play F5 here? I think we do. Ooh, that was probably a huge mistake. What do we do? Bishop, I guess? He just developed, he undeveloped his rooks and developed my rooks in a matter of 2 moves. Uh-oh. Oopsie. I trapped it. How do you move that bishop and not take the pawn? I don't know. Did I have a better move? This is a piece, right? Okay. Oh man, I thought I had this move, but I don't. I guess we get this one. We get something, guys. We get something out of the deal. Going for this. Yeah. I should have took this pawn earlier. Okay, here, I guess. Right. Okay. And then, that's a good move. He trades a pawn. We defending our current world champion. The only world champion that we love and support. I think you should have gone twice. Yeah, there you go. Defending everything. Everything is defending. Defend dead. Like I'm going to be if I don't move a little quicker. I'm gonna meet him with 9 bishop, folks. You got the draw. Dude, that's similar to last draw. I didn't have time. How do you move that bishop and not take the pawn? If he took that knight, I saw a draw. If he took that knight, it was a draw. How do you know for a fact? Are you... Magnus Carlsen doesn't even talk like that. When Magnus Carlsen talks to Nepomniachtchi after a game, he'll say, I think maybe you had f4. And Nepo goes, oh, but what about knight g5? And Magnus will go, yeah, I don't know. What? You know what I'm saying? People don't speak in absolutes. Try not to, because, I mean, unless you're using Stockfish. If you're using Stockfish, then maybe there was a draw. It doesn't mean we can't look at it, but I wouldn't know where to go. If he took that knight, Was my knight hanging or something? This was just way too slow on the clock, guys. I lose this game. Look at this right here. When I'm down to 30 seconds, Hikaru would say like, well, you're winning, but he's got a minute 18. You're probably going to lose. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. If he took that knight, it was a draw. Did I leave a knight hanging? I probably did. I probably did because I was pre-moving stuff. Oh, we got friend requests. You will lose this match and ranges Zen. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? Good, good. I think maybe I couldn't see the board because of the pre-moves. Ah, okay. Oh, yeah, because you yeah. I'll just tell you for if you end up going to a chess club or something, you really want to put that. You really want to turn on that voice. Online, it's like you can just, if people call you out on stuff, you can just shut it off, right? If you're standing in the chess club and you say, "This is the best move," people look at you like you don't know what you're talking about. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'll tell you, I saw a couple of masters. One of them was my friend, and it was at a hotel at a big over-the-board tournament. And we went out to the lobby because they had just finished the game. And we sit down on the carpet in the lobby of a hotel, and they were looking at the game, going over it. And I was 1,700, they were 2,200. And they were going over the game, and there was a move that they weren't seeing. And I saw it, and I didn't say a single word. And here's why. If I'm wrong, I mean, one of the guys is my friend, but the other guy's going to look at me like an idiot, and he'll be like, "You're wasting our time, dude. You're 1,700. Do you understand what I'm saying?" And then he won't want to hang out. He won't, he won't have respect. But I thought I saw the right move, and they didn't see it. So they finished going over the game, and as the guy was walking away, I said to my friend, "Brian, I think you had bishop g5 in that position. It's a backward bishop move." He's like, "Hey," he goes, "Hey, come back. And they set it back up, and I was right. But I waited. I'm not saying you should wait. You should talk as much as you want. But when you're talking about chess, it's like math. It's like math. So you got to you don't just throw the answer out. You got to do the work. Or we're not all stockfish. So then just the way you suggest things is good. Is a good way to say I think maybe. Yeah. Yeah. That was up to you. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly right. But it was up to me. But the thing, like I said, I'm telling you, there's like online's a little bit more laid back, right? Well, no, it's really not. It's just that you can just click a button and it goes away. It's more anonymous for sure. But if you're in a chess club or in that situation, being rated 500 points lower than these two real chess masters, not 2,200 on chess.com. 2,200 in 4-hour over-the-board games that you pay money for to play. If you start chirping in and they're like, "No, man, just this." And they're like, "Are you done?" You'll learn more because you will. It's not like a speak when spoken to kind of thing. But there is, life, there are hierarchies in life, right? There are pecking orders. That's a thing. And for instance, let's say those two guys were going to go to lunch and look at some more chess, and they're masters. Just watching them talk makes you a better chess player. It's free lessons. And let's say they were going to go to lunch. Did they want to bring to 1,700? Well, they don't make friends solely based on rating, but they will make friends based on, do they want this 1,700 who keeps chirping in bad moves? Do they want to bring him, or do they want to keep the guy that listens? You know what I'm saying? Or maybe if I would have said something like, "Guys, why not bishop g5?" Now I'm asking a question. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like people skills. People skills at the tournament's a real thing, man. It's a real thing. Send me some 3 minutes, guys. 3-minute chess. We got to play. It's like that everywhere. It's like that at the pool hall. It's exactly like that at the pool hall. Anywhere where there's a lot of people trying to get better at something, you'll do better getting along with the higher rated players. Or the better pool players. Right? Yeah. Yeah. 1,000,000%. Because they'll teach you stuff. Right? Same thing with chess. Yeah, we're going to go in open rematches now. Sokus, thank you very much for thinking about that. I'm opening for rematches, guys. I need one more second. I'm going to go away from the thing, and then I'm going to come back, and we're going to play... Now, we can do all rematches. If you've already played me, send me another one. I'll be right back. All right, send it, send it. Oh man, I thought I was gonna have some. Yeah. Sokus, send it, brother. We're still live. Good, 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 good. I'm gonna refresh this. There we go. Guys, I don't have any challenges. Oh, Amir said, with me, please. Amir, he went out of his way enough to send me a message. And all he has to do is, if I don't get a challenge here in another few seconds, I am going to look at the Josh game. I was kind of hoping Josh would come in and we could look at it together. But, the dragon, dude, I never play a dragon. Dragons are fun, bro. Dragons are fun. Sicilian dragons. I started playing Nadorf because the FIDE Master kept beating me with he kept crushing my dragon. He still crushes my Nadorf. There we go. Toasty Cheese It, 3-minute unrated. Good luck, Toasty. Toasty's rated 155. He was rated higher, I think, last time. He probably had a bad run. Toasty's at the beginning of his chess career, guys. He's not a bad chess player. He is a beginner chess player. Buck says from the pool. Yeah, I could just go from the pool, too. Okay, we take. Now, I think I can do this. I had to look hard, though. Because there are positions where you play this move, because I'm threatening mate and the knight. And if the knight comes to stop the mate, I play bishop takes, queen takes. I get check. But he has a square. Then I can bring the knight with tempo. The queen's protecting it, right? So it's not mate. Queen takes will be on this pawn. And also be on this check. So that's kind of weird, too. But I'm up a piece. Oh, he doesn't even do it. He gives me the mate. Yeah. Good try, dude. You had to play queen takes. You had to play queen takes because I'm threatening mate again. So and this isn't mate. This isn't mate. Now it's my move, and I can probably just develop. And then if you take. There's this great idea. The knight protects the queen protects the rook. This is a pattern you should learn. Sometimes you put the bishop. Sometimes in this position, you put the bishop here. And the knight defends the bishop defends the rook. You know what I'm saying? That's a pattern you should learn. Happy Little Blunder, thank you for sending it. Yeah. I played c4 early the other day, and it wasn't the maneuver. Happy Little Blunders, 1920. 20, folks. Here, I guess. Is he trying to beat me on time, folks? Okay. Just castles. I like the way he did. He moved his bishop. Now, do I take the bishop? Or do I take the knight and mess his pawns up? I think I take the bishop. Do we agree? Improve Ving. Dude, I hung this pawn, bro. I hung this pawn. I'm going to play here. So that doesn't happen again. We can have the pair if we want it. The O pair. This could be a Manunu. Definite Manunu. Yeah. That doesn't work yet. Where's that knight going? Just move, dude. Just move! Bring the other rook, and then maybe do stuff. I'm like piling up stuff on the file where I want to put the rook. Not smart, probably. Just square, dude. I didn't see you. How you doing, brother? I didn't see you come in. Forgive me. Everything is well. Oh, that was a long time ago. Just a square. Oh my God, I missed you a long time ago. Vichy is going to be the temporary FIDE president because they are sanctioning. Because the EU are sanctioning the current president. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's just crazy talk. I saw that Judith Polgar turned down an opportunity to be the president of Hungary. Yeah, that's a move. Just get here for free. Back to your home. Oh, he comes here. That's probably a really good move. I didn't get anywhere for free. Yeah, probably not best. We're going to get more weaknesses now, though. What do you think? Yeah. He's going to do the same thing. Yeah, I got to move. Let's bring another rook. Let's bring another rook lift, and we'll just, like, put him, like, here and here. The multiple rook lifts, guys. He's 1920. Yeah, that's probably a real move. I'm not happy about this little blunder. Yeah, I didn't have a lot of choices there, guys. Just go for it. Just get them open, folks. Get him open. Yeah, I kind of chased him. I kind of chased him to the better square, didn't I? Got him on time. Wow. Good game, dude. That was horrifying. That was... Hey, I got another friend request! No, I thought I had a friend request. Biggest Bully coming at me again, folks. Did you win the last game, Biggest Bully? I'm trying to remember. We're playing a not true Latvian gamblet. Solid, good game. Yeah, thank you, man. Good game for sure. Uh-huh. Okay. Gotta take this. Gotta take this. It's a game of chess, guys. It's weird. This position is weird. I'm very scared. Yeah. Okay, knight c6, a million percentile. Knight c6 is in the million percentile of moves I was probably gonna play. There's another move that might have been better. Nah, not really, but we're gaming, guys. We're gaming. He's using all his time. I love this big bully. He's doing like the masters do. Okay. No reason. Okay. I could come in here. I could do this and get two. I'm up a pawn. I don't have to do anything right now. Just improve, I guess. The improvement is real, folks. Yeah, he wants it. He wants it. This is probably dumb, but we can pretend that we like the fact that his knight is offsides. Hit it. Now he wants to push, but it's gonna like at what cost? I think we're gonna come here. Threatening. He can't push. He can't undermine. Takes. Gives us our capture back with our octopus. You know, the knight's not an octopus based on where you put it. The knight's an octopus based on where your opponent's pieces are. You know what I'm saying? on the effect it's having on the position. Are we lifting rooks again? And then again? Okay. I feel like this is a move, man. I'm doing it. I drop my knight. I might have some play here, folks. These pieces don't play chess. All three of them. I'm okay with these two not playing chess, but I want this one to play a little bit of chess, guys. Don't you agree? Is it trapped or something? Is he getting mated? Okay. Okay, now we have to get unpinned. I can do this. I can unpin this way, right? That's a good move. I don't know where to go. I just lose my... You got me on time. Good job, biggest bully. Yeah. Right when I realized I was in time trouble, I hit the freaking stump. That was horrible. Good job by you. Good pressure. Jackal, welcome back. How you doing, man? Oh, dude, that was such a beautiful position, man. I have to look and just see if there was a shot there, man. Like, or is that all I got? Just get the queen, get out. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I made four great moves, and that makes sense because... Oh, this was one of them. That was good. What would it like better than that move? I thought that was a great move. 95. That's what I played. Oh, it's also saying Queen E8 is an idea. Okay. Best. That's a blunder. Knight G2. Because if king takes, this is bad. Oh, no, that's not it. The knight's there. So what's the move? Knight takes, if king takes. Oh, I have this. I didn't even see this. King G1. Knight F3, winning. But where did I mess this up? I'm still winning, believe it or not. Even dropping my knight, that's a blunder. I'm still winning though. And it was a mistake for him to take it. That was good, and then that was best. See, I could have played this move first, and I saw it. And I took a little bit of time on this. 36 seconds to 32, right? Because this is better, and then play the rook. That's a good move. Takes. Okay, now. Knight F3 was best. He attacks my queen. How do I not see this? How do I not see this square? I think I was afraid. I did see the square, and I thought the rook could come over, not even seeing the knight was protecting it. That's what it was. So this is fine. Knight F3 was good. There were, yeah, this is his best move, and it's just like, to stop the mate. Just come back, same problems, come over, look at this, look at checkmates. But, gotta manage your time. The same way I don't see. Exactly right, Toasty. It is. It is. I just see more things. You know what a lot of chess is? Getting better at chess, Toasty? Wait, Zach Ansley says, I'd love to play a game of Rapid with you one time. I think we're much better with more time. Zach Ansley, I would love to as well. If you use a Prime... Oh, Zach, you're the guy, huh? You're that guy that helped us out that one day. I play subs on Twitch, members on YouTube, and supporters on Facebook on Tuesdays. And you would think, because I don't have millions of freaking subs, paid subs, but I do. You could use your Prime. But I have hundreds, and you would think there would be no time, but you'd be surprised. Like sometimes we're sitting around waiting for someone to challenge. Yeah. There you go, Zach. Cool. Yeah, and we'll play 10 plus 5. That's the normal time control that we do on that day. Well, guys, what a freaking day! I am going to get ready for dinner and a big gaming stream later. Hit the like button on the way out. Hit the sub button, the follow button. Hit all the buttons on the way out, guys. Anyway, you got a new kitten today. No way! Dude, enjoy that new kitten, Zach. I freaking love it. I love it. My girlfriend and I had a cat, and he got attacked by something. Basically got murdered by something. He came home dying. It was the middle of the night. We live in a rural kind of place where there's no 24-hour vet. You know what I'm saying? We had to like wait till the vet office opened in the morning, and he didn't make it. And you telling me you just got a kitten, it's like it makes me feel really good. It makes me feel really happy for you. So enjoy your kitten. And we got this cat because they say like with the feral cats, the stray cats, they find you. This cat found us, and it was the best cat ever. And we're waiting for the next one to find us. Yeah. Cool, dude. I love to see the community making friends on chess.com and stuff, so you guys can play. That's freaking awesome. I freaking love you guys. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.